Hello friends, today I have brought you another inspiring story. This story tells about how much impact our words can have on people. Once a group of frogs was going through a forest. Suddenly two frogs fell down in a deep pit. When other frogs saw that the pit was very deep, then they all started shouting, "You can't come outside of this pit because it's very deep. You both leave the hope to come out of it." Maybe both the frogs did not hear what the others were saying, and they kept on jumping in order to come out of this pit. The frogs which were outside continuously kept saying that they both were working hard unnecessarily. They should give up. They can't come outside. One of the frogs in the pit heard the other's frog, and it stopped jumping. It sat in a corner. The another frog kept on jumping, and it jumped as much as it could. The frogs which were outside still kept saying that you should give up. But it was not able to hear them, and it kept on jumping. After a lot of effort, it came out. The other said, "Did you not hear us?" That frog told them, pointing that it could not hear because it was deaf. So it was not able to listen to anyone. It thought that they all were encouraging it, while the other frog gave up his hope just because others told him to do so. So what we learn from this story is that whatever we speak, it creates an impact on others. So always speak positive. Let people speak whatever they want. Trust yourself and think positive. We get success by working hard, by having faith in ourselves, and with positive thoughts. Because what we constantly keep thinking, that comes back to us. That will affect us. Let me give another example about it. Once there were two boys, Ram and Shyam. They were taking tuition from the same teacher. When the tuition teacher saw them for the first time, she saw Ram as a studious boy. He was wearing a nice dress. She thought he can study well. But when she saw Shyam, he was looking like a playful boy, and he was wearing casual dress. She thought he cannot study because he is looking like a playful boy. But actually both the boys were getting more and less equal marks in their school, and tuition teacher did not know about it. She used to pay more attention on Ram, and she explained all his doubt nicely. When Shyam used to ask her something, then she would say, "Don't you know about this? I have explained you many times." And she did not pay attention on Shyam because she thought he did not want to study. He is asking normally. Then Ram started thinking, "I am a good student. I am getting appreciation from my teacher." And Shyam started thinking, "I am good for nothing. I am not being appreciated by my teacher, and she always keep finding mistake in my work. I can't do nothing in my life." And when the result was announced, Ram scored good marks, and Shyam did not do well in his exam, so he did not get good marks. Ram thought, "I am going to be successful in my life. My teacher is the best teacher." And Shyam thought, "I'm good for nothing." He used to hate that teacher, and whenever he got chance, he bunked the class. So friends, whatever you do, never disgrace anyone with your words. Thank you.